Hey guys, we are now at the Zhiyun Booth at the Electronics Fair in Hong Kong. So here we have the Smooth4, we have the black and the white version now, and also a few other changes has made between the production version and the pre-production version. So now we see this front is matte black, and the metal logo here is like, instead of fully chrome, is like more of a metal. And also we have feet for the gimbals. So we have matching colors, and these are also foldable and also like nice holds to extend the hold also from the gimbal. So this reel is for the focus but also for the zoom. You can switch between them by pressing this button. It's made it much easier, and also there's also a lot of other buttons. So explaining, this is the menu button, so you can go into the menu quickly. So instead of going into the menu by the phone, you can click here on the menu and scroll around, press up and down and go into the menu. But also we have like photo mode, we have display button, and we have also record button. And this button here below is the pen focus. Personally, I like to have it actually on lock. So now it's on lock mode, and by pressing this button on the back, there's actually two buttons or two triggers. So the top one is the phone go, and the bottom one is actually the full follow. I like to actually just press the full follow to just move around and then quickly lock it down. It also makes it easier to do the slider shots that I really like to do. Top trigger is for the phone go mode, so it can quickly do the quick pan. It's really nice, especially for following sports, where people go by really fast. So it's enable you to quickly pan, because like if you normally, or actually put it back on pan follow. So if you normally pan quickly, it takes a while for it to pan. So if you hold down the phone go, it goes directly. Also, another thing is I'm going to grab my own one and show you something really special about the app, because there is actually something that only the Zhiyun can do, or the Zhiyun app can do, that the other phone gimbal apps cannot do. So now I have my Smooth4 connected, and here we now have the zoom in and out. Also, there's a divot in here to make it slightly easy to do it like this. You can also do it like this. Also, what is really special with combining the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus on here is the resolution. So when I press here down here, look at that, it says 4K 60p, which isn't, literally other gimbal brands cannot do this. So this can record now in 4K 60p, so 4K and in slow-mo. So the conclusion is, for who is the Smooth4? Smooth4 is really for the filmmakers who want to improve their phone videography. If you want to shoot a short film with a phone, this is the gimbal to get, because you have this follow focus. You can do like proper rec focusing, which is hard to do even with your normal phone app. This enables you to just get like proper rec focusing, to get those really nice rec focus from a subject to another subject. But also you have the zoom control, but there's also in the app a vertigo app or vertigo mode, so you can get like that vertical, that dolly zoom effect with this app. Also, it makes everything much easier, faster to control, and there's so much you can do with this app. And also, this enables on my S9 Plus the 4K 60p, which is so much more different than the others, because this now I can get like the high resolution, also 4K in slow-mo, of course. So that was mainly it at the Zhiyun booth, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.